Student, I, Soumen sir, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering. Now we are going to learn what is the difference between diving plate, that means catch plate, and face plate. This is the figure of diving plate. This is the projected pin, center hole with internal thread. This is the figure of job holding device using diving plate. Cylindrical symmetrical workpiece held between life center and dead center. This is the diving plate or catch plate. This is the projected pin. This is the lead dog or carrier. Okay. This is the figure of face plate. There are different slots of different shape and size. There is the center hole with internal thread. This is the figure of job holding device using face plate. This is the face plate. This is face plate. Center hole with internal thread. The angle plate. This is the angle plate. Angle plate attached with face plate using clamping nut. This is the job elbow pipe attached with angle plate using clamping nut. Unsymmetrical job are held by face plate. Now, what is the difference between diving plate and face plate? Left side diving plate, that means catch plate, right side face plate. For exam purpose, figure are not necessary. Now, number one, for diving plate. Diving plate is used to hold cylindrical job with the main spindle of a lathe. Number one, for face plate. Face plate is used to hold unsymmetrical job with main spindle of a lathe. Number two, for diving plate. The diving plate is provided with a projected pin. The tail of a lead dog holding the job is driven by the projected pin, by this projected pin. Number two, for face plate. The face plate has no such projected pin but has a number of slots of different shape and size. Number three, for diving plate, job holding time is less. Number three, for face plate, job holding time is more. Number 4, For diving plate, it is less weight. Number 4, for face plate, it is more weight. Number 5, for diving plate, here nut, bolt, clamp, washer, packing, etc. are not necessary for holding the job with catch plate. Number 5, for face plate, bolt, nut, clamp, washer, packing, sometimes angle plate, etc. are necessary for holding the job with face plate. Number 6, a lead dog, life center, dead center are essential for holding the job with diving plate. Number 6, for face plate, no lead dog, life center, dead center are essential for job holding with face plate. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.